You've been working hard, but progress feels slow. Early mornings, late nights, endless effort, and yet nothing seems to change. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you're failing. The truth is simple. The rules have changed. Hard work alone no longer guarantees results. Effort without direction just burns you out. The shift isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things with clarity and purpose. Focus where it matters. Protect your energy. Move intentionally. When effort aligns with direction, progress returns. Not faster, not harder, smarter. Hard work isn't broken. You just need to play the right game.